Welcome to Punta Riviera Resort. Thank you very much for coming, all of you.
Evening comes. Party away your cares and blues and be young again. Every night, as you please.
The daylight's fading slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. Your slightest touch and I feel weak. I cannot lie from you. I cannot hide. I'm losing will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless.
Sinuwerte po tayo, nandito yung may-ari, itong si Ian Smith, nakagagaling lang sa Hong Kong. We're glad you're here, Ian.
Delighted to meet you and welcome to Do Tonight.
Same here. Kapiling po natin ngayon si Aileen. Po, yung pinicture natin ng araw sa Bolinao, nagluto po siya, nasaksakan na sarap ang luto. Anibersaryo mo pala ngayon?
Oo.
Pinakasalan ka niya ng 2 beses?
Yeah.
Ang swerte mo naman.
Isa sa civil, isa sa church.
Talaga? Sobra naman kayong mga...
Enjoy any occasion with the live band or just enjoy sitting back, watching a Tahitian or a fire dance.
On the kilometers are swishing down the old Naya Bay. Oh, we're going to a
Still, it doesn't end there. Find out more of what Punta Riviera could offer.
Isa sa mga atraksyon dito sa Punta Riviera, itong kayaking.